I had the most epic adventure with Jet's boat tours in Puerto Vallarta. It was a boat excursion day where we were supposed to see the arcs, go snorkeling, and see some beautiful beaches. But by our surprise, we saw whales, y'all. We saw tons of whales all around us on our way to our destination. They were so close to the boat, up close and personal. We were able to just spend a lot of time with the whales. There were males and females just swimming all around our boat. It was so beautiful to watch. Every time we thought they were done, we would see more whales. And so we would stop and just watch more. They were so peaceful and quiet. We saw lots of blowholes going on. It was just really cool to see and to see it up close. I never thought I would have this opportunity. So shout out to Jets for allowing us to see this. We kept on going and just saw more whales. Everywhere we looked, left and right, front and back, they were all around us and they seemed to be really happy. Look at all the blowholes. Like they just chilling, having a great time. And just when I thought things couldn't get any better, wow, we saw a whale breach, y'all. Look at that. Look at all of the water. It was an amazing experience. And I highly recommend this company 10 out of 10. You have to check them out. Follow for more.